Good morning, 8th graders, and welcome to civics class. I'm your teacher, Mrs. Normile, and I'll be here with you all year, either in person or from a distance. What we're going to do today is start off right away talking about American citizens. Who are they, and how do they become a citizen of our country? Well, a citizen, as we know, is anybody who has certain rights and duties to a government, and who by birth or by choice owes allegiance to that government. You have pledged allegiance in the past. It just means your loyalty. So it's a person who has certain rights under a government, and here's how you become one: by birth or by choice. We find this out in the 14th Amendment. 14th Amendment tells us who a citizen is: anybody born or naturalized in the United States. So you're a citizen if you're born. If you were born in America, and many of us were, you're American. If you were born to an American, even if you were born in another country, you are an American. So you're an American by birth, either born in America or born to an American. You can become a citizen through naturalization. This means that you were an immigrant in the United States, and now you are looking to become a citizen. So any immigrant who decides to become a citizen and becomes one is naturalized. This immigration and naturalization, especially in the 20th century, has led to a very diverse society. Restaurants of different foods from India, Mexico, China, Thailand, Greece. You will see restaurants, different foods, different languages, different religions, different dress, different customs, many differences among people. That's called a diverse society. Immigration and immigrants who became citizens, which is naturalization, especially in the 20th century, have made that happen. Let's go. Next, once again, let's see if we can remember. To become a citizen through naturalization, you must be a person at least 18 years old. You must have lived in the United States for at least 5 years. You must be a good person. I know it's vague. What they mean is no background checks show that you're a criminal or a terrorist or a threat to the people who live here. 18.5, good. 18.5, good. 18 years old, live here 5 years. Show you know some American history and principles. And you must have the ability to speak, read, and write ordinary English. What is a citizen? It's anybody who has rights and duties under a government and who by birth or by choice owes their loyalty. What was the number of that amendment? Think. It was the 14th Amendment that told us the definition of citizens. There are two ways to become a citizen: blank or blank. Birth, naturalization. What were the two factors that led to an increasingly diverse society? Immigration and naturalization. Which century saw immigration and naturalization led to a diverse society? The 20th century. What knowledge must a person demonstrate to become naturalized? You must know American history. You must be able to speak, read, and write basic English. If you think you remember what it is to be a citizen of the United States and how we become one, click on the next slide and take a quizzes review. If you're in class, we'll be doing this live, and you might win some great games and prizes. If you're at home, you must become a member of our quizzes class first. You're then going to play Immigration Nation and take a screenshot of your score and add it to your assignment. So let's